Yeah, it's 8:30 and this is due to get worse until about midnight. So,
the next day.
Last night I spent about 2 hours holding down the front of the tent. The winds were pretty ridiculous, and this morning I noticed that there was a bend in one of the rear poles, so I got away with it lightly, I think. Storm Dave is meant to be pushing up the west coast, but who's chasing who? Hoping for an easy ride to Inverness from here. And this is where I had to pull over and stop under a bridge. Traffic had slowed to a crawl. I was wiping my visor every 10 seconds just to see, and within minutes a car crashed into the central reservation barrier. Water ingressed into my phone, and it became temperamental for the next hour. Thankfully I'd printed off the route so I could just follow the instructions. I rode through snow 3 times on the way to Inverness, leaving me cold and wet, with boots filled with water. I just needed to get to Inverness so that I could relax.
Jesus, the sunshine a minute ago. I've literally just put the tent up here in Bunchrew. What's left of the tent? It's bent. My tent has been bent. Well, I did have a great view, and I was expecting no wind. Wendy told me no wind. Fuck's sake.
To be fair, Bunchrew is beautifully situated with a superb view across the Bewley Firth. To the east, about 3 miles away, you can see the Keswick Bridge leaving Inverness. which I'll be crossing tomorrow to finally get my NC 500 run underway. I don't know what it is. There's something about riding the motorcycle through 3 blizzards in one day. Makes me not really that keen on a cold cider. Tripod. I just put this camera on, my phone. Leg fell off when I was taking it out of the bag. My GoPro Hero 3. I've got an old SD card reader in this admin vortex somewhere. It's just stopped working. I don't know why, but when I plug this into my phone, it no longer shows anything. The tent is bent. It's gone in a funny shape. I've gone on holiday by mistake.